Anak? Dede?
We are cooking. Nagluluto tayo ng lunch. Time check on 12:20. So, magpipizza kami ni Andy. Ito. Ayan, nandyan na. Si Aliyah, she's having soup. Parang sopas. Niluluto ko for her. Ayan. And then, by the way, guys, nagkikrave ako ng papaitan. You know, I'm an Ilocana. Ilocana ako. So, mahilig din kami ng papaitan. Yung beef na, ang tawag dun? Papaitan. Pang Ilocana yun eh. So, noong nakaraan, nagpa-order ako kay mami yung mother-in-law ko ng, alam niyo yung tripe ng baka. So, dinalhan ako ng mother-in-law ko ng tripe ng baka. So, ngayon, meron akong beef dyan. Tapos, meron ako ng powder ng papaitan. At saka, meron ako ng tripe. So, mamayang gabi, yun yung lulutuin ko. Pero, feeling ko si Andy hindi kakain ng tripe. Ng papaitan. So, ako lang ang kakain. Since yun yung cravings ko, tatry niya siguro yung papaitan, pero hindi niya magugustuhan. Kasi bitter kasi siya. Hindi yan mahilig sa bitter soup. Ting digi ding 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 ting digi ding 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 ting digi ding 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 ding. Yeah! Is your lunch, madam? So, good evening! Tayo ay maghahanda ng pagkain. So, Filipino dish and Chinese dish. Ayan, samahan niyo ako ngayong gabi, family. So, lagay ko lang yung on natin yung light para maliwanag ang buhay. So, ngayong gabi, nag-prepare ako ng dalawang dish. Sabi ko sa inyo, isang Filipino, tsaka isang Chinese. Ayan. So, yung Filipino is very Ilocano, which I am a Ilocano. Yung papaitan. Ayan. So, meron ako ditong beef. Minamarinate ko na itong maliliit na pork ribs. Ayun pala, sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Magluluto ako ng papaitan, tsaka yung black bean sauce with pork ribs. Steamed, which is ito na nga, yung ating Chinese recipe na black bean sauce ribs. Ayan, pork ribs. So, ito, binababad ko lang siya muna sa bicarbonate soda. Kasi yun yung magpapalambot ng... Ay, sinabi ko na yung secret! Oh my. Anyway, okay lang. Share ko lang. Yung bicarbonate soda, papalambutin niya yung karne. Ng ribs. Kasi ang luluto lang ng ribs natin mamaya is steam. So, after 15 minutes... hahanguin ko na siya doon. Then, i-ano ko naman siya, mamarinade ko naman siya sa black bean sauce, garlic, cornstarch, tsaka soy sauce. Yon. So, habang nagaantay tayo, hati-hatiin na natin yung ating tripe at tsaka yung ating beef for the papaitan naman. Yan. So, ito muna yung gawin natin. So, dyan lang kayo. Let's cut it.
A few moments later.
So, ready na nating i-steam yung Chinese ribs with black bean sauce. Ito yung gamit ko, yung Ilocano pinapaitan. So, hinaan ko na ng aking heat. Yan, update ko lang kayo. So, ito na yung ating black bean sauce for my husband. So, siguro nakababad na dyan for like an hour. And then, ito yung ating papaitan! Woo! So, kung Ilocano kayo, ay talagang magugustuhan nyo ang papaitan. May tripe siya, tsaka beef. Ayan. Nilagyan ko din ng chili, jalapeno. So, masarap na siya, guys. Kahit na wala siyang papaitan. Yung ano lang, mamasitas. Ayan. Malambot na rin yung tripe. Yung, ano ba to? Yung sa baka. Ito yun, no? Huh? Here.
Doing great.
Ayan. Malambot na siya.
Okay, you're doing great, Baba.
Sarap. Ngayon,
Doing great.
lalagyan ko na siya ng like, I'll put the spring onions. Ooh, chili as well. Asan na yung aking scissors? Andito na siya eh. Nilagay ko na sa sa dishwasher. Ayan, ready na kaming kumain. Si Aliyah, she's already eating. Sopas ang kanyang food. There's Aliyah and Dad. Yan. Yan sila, So, yan. Pinapakain na ni Andy si Aliyah.
Okay.
I'll cut the spring onions. Pang color lang kasi ang papaitan naman, ano lang ata to eh. Parang soup lang siya talaga. Stew. 'Di ba? Luto na din ang Chinese pork ribs with black bean sauce. Send ko pala to sa aking nanay para proud naman siya sa akon. Ayan. Sa family pala, hindi lang sa nanay. Sa family. Ayan. Proud naman sila sa akin. Ayan. So, kain na tayo.
A few moments later.
Let's see Andy's reaction. The real reaction.
Masarap.
Are you sure?
It keeps them warm when it's
Huh?
really
Is it not bitter?
Polar bears are great swimmers. Look, polar bears have big
Mmm.
front paws that help them swim between ice floes. What are ice floes?
Masarap.
Floes are big floating pieces of
Nice? You like it?
Yeah, lovely.
Look, some polar bears are on the ice floes, and
Nice.
some
So, I can use the knife that Kay gave me to cut this.
Yeah.
it's hard to see.
So, I don't need to go to the butcher.
Blended in hide so
I just had to like do that. That's really good.
A few moments later.
So, tapos na ang ating Chinese-Filipino food fusion. Charis. Now, husband is washing up kasi ako ang nagluto. Umiinom lang ako nito, oh. My new favorite, 7-Up pink lemonade na zero sugar. Hi, lady! There's lady. Right, let's have some dessert. Come on, you want daddy dessert? Help yourself here. Meron pa yung cake na binili natin. Brownies pala, not cake. I'm gonna taste daddy's one. Ay! Look at that reaction. Just tiny bit, Dad. We're sharing, isn't it? Sharing is caring. Yan. So nice. Habang si Aliyah ay chilled pa dyan sa kanyang high chair, let's take the advantage of her being quiet. Yan. Ayan na. Nababagot na siya. So, I think Andy enjoyed the Did you like the bitters stew?
Okay.
It's okay. So, I crave for papaitan eh. So, I cook it. Medyo maanghang. It's a bit, spicy. Pero okay lang. Craving satisfied. And then yung pork ni Andy, he said, it's falling off the bone. So meaning I cook it longer, no, Dad? Long enough
You
to
did good.
make it very tender.
Yeah.
Tender daw. Nahuhulog daw siya dun sa bone, sabi ni Anne. Which is ideal for the pork ribs. Well, and black bean sauce. Sarap. Antok na si Aliyah. Okay. So, tapos na ang ating vlog for today. I will end it here. Thank you guys sa panonood sa amin. Till our next vlog. So, salamat.
2000.
Road to 2,000 daw, sabi ni Andy. See you soon, guys. Bye! Oh, si Andy, oh. Oh, oh ha? Sexy, oh. A man who cleans the kitchen is the sexiest man in the world. Charis! Isn't it? Oh, ang sexy ng asawa ko.